he will add new features and he will remove old features that I already asked him to add. So that is the problems of AI. So AI will not be able to tell you everything, especially if you are not an experienced programmer. So you need to have some knowledge in order for you to be able to get something out of AI. He will give you something and take something back. And when they actually, there was a leakage for the cloud AI. Did you hear about cloud? So we have ChatGPT, we have Gemini, and we have cloud. So the cloud source code of AI was leaked out. And when it was checked, they see that sometimes they don't want the AI to dig deep and give a full answer to the normal users. They only give this option to who? To the workers of cloud itself, only. So it means that they have the ability to limit the complete answers that comes to you. So AI will not be, AI will be the, it will give the power to the people who hold it, which is the owners of AI. But we are not the owners, we are only users. So you need to understand this. And none of the Muslim countries actually have power over what is happening on AI. We are only users. We only ask AI to do something for us, it gives us, we are happy with that. That's fine, it saves us time, everybody is happy, but at the end of the day, if they stop it for us, we cannot use it anymore, right? Or if they even change how it seems and it gives us maybe 50% wrong answers, we are also living in the dark. We don't know. So like I tell you, AI can be used, but you need to have some basic knowledge. You need to have understanding what is happening in between. So whatever I am teaching, this is the basics. Certain things that I am teaching you now or I have passed through doesn't exist anymore. No more now people writing commands to execute what is happening on operating system. No more. No, nobody now will know about that. Only the older generation like me and even the older than me that know this. You people didn't experience it then. You only know that, oh, you buy the computer, you have operating system, you have Windows, just use it, everything is fine. But when the computer fails, if you are an accountant, and if your computer fails, what will happen? How can you fix it out? How can you reach AI itself when you don't have a Windows? When you don't know how to deal with the Windows or what the even Windows do. So you need basic knowledge of computer science. Even if you're an accountant, even if you're a doctor, if you are a doctor and you're using devices to diagnose the patient. So there is also something called biomedical engineering, which means that you need to have some knowledge about the devices or even building medical devices that doctors use. Okay? So if you are a doctor in the middle of an operation, the medical device fails. You don't know even how to operate Windows. You don't know even how to power on or basic troubleshooting things, you don't know. If you only depend on AI, how can you access AI in the middle of an operation? Need to have some basic knowledge, guys. Not everything AI, you will fail. I come to you not from a teacher background. I work in real projects, not in this country, in different countries. Malaysia, China, Thailand, Germany, Sweden, Finland, many places, Dubai, Saudi. I work in different places and in real projects, which means that I'm not only teaching. I only teach part-time at that time. I teach to university students, I teach to people who have master's degree, university degree, and then I'm ending up teaching like this. I'm not teaching only IGCSE, I'm teaching also ABCSA, which is the American curriculum. So I have seen different students from different places. I teach students from Africa, from Hong Kong, from UK, from US, before I join you here. So I am telling you my experience. So sometimes I'm tough on the boys because I consider, most of you actually is at the age of my son. So I think, would I like my son to be like you? I'm not worried about the girls. The girls know about what they want to be. And I see that they are working fine. But the boys know. I'm sad if I see my son behaving like him. I'll be very sad. Because at the end, you are the support of your family. Their family cannot depend on the girls. They depend on the boys to lead. And if the boy is not focused only on non-important things,